Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make trending cinematic reels using Capcut. Okay, let's get started. First, just import your video into the projects, then trim the parts you want to use, like this. And next, tap on clips and go to speed, and then choose curve, and then choose custom, and then just adjust the speed graph like this. And then adjust the smooth slow motions, and then choose better quality, and then just checklist like this, and then just repeat this step for all your clips. Like this. After that, go to filters and choose one that fits your video smooth or style. I will choose this one, and then I will add another filters. I will choose this one. Now let's add transitions between clips. Just tap on the icon between the clips, this one, and then choose film blur. And then just apply to all, like this. And finally, add some calm background music, like this. I will extract for my another video. And then here's the result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.